Hello and welcome to another episode of Internet. And here we are going to discuss about ChatGPT. ChatGPT, if you have not heard it, I must say you just Google it, and after this session, obviously you will understand what is the ChatGPT and how to utilize it. But believe me, like people are people's mind are blown out with this feature. It's like an open AI product, and it's giving a lot of things, and you not like think about that. And to be honest, it is like one of the finest product which I saw till now. And people are saying it might like in the near future it is the robust product, and like a lot of people will lose their job just because of this product. But believe me, till the time we are in this station, and it is not going to harm your job. So just utilize it to make your job better. So before jumping into further, let's understand what is ChatGPT, how to use it, is there any price criteria, and obviously we'll end up this within demo. So without further delay, let's start with what is ChatGPT. So for this, let's do one thing: go and search for ChatGPT, and you will find the OpenAI. So OpenAI, again, the creator of this, and they created other product as well, Dell E2 Whisper, and the ChatGPT is one of them. So just click on the ChatGPT, and if you're not logged in, you have not created a sign up for it, just click on try ChatGPT and do sign up. It's a free account, so you can create it. There is no harm in it. So I already created it, so that's why I'm getting this. So basically, what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is like a language model. This is the AI model which is provided by OpenAI. Okay, so whatever you are typing in your text format, it will give you the results. And you don't believe, it created a history, in a 5 day, within a 5 day, it created like 1 million, more than 1 million of users. While if you see the legacy company not created those users still in 5 days. So this is like the extraordinary product. Okay, so basically the main concept behind ChatGPT is it will provide uh, you solution in the human language. Like human, if I am telling you something similar way, it will text you all the detail. And it is not about like it's not about like a googling thing. But see, when you see something on the Google, you search, and you will get a lot of experts, a lot of uh, different things on the Google search. But it will give you like specific thing in few words. So without wasting further time, let's do a demo, because demo is more important than anything. So one thing, like it is, if you are like a student, or you are a professional, or you are a developer or coder, SQL developer, C# developer, Python developer, it will help you always. And there are different way of communicating it, and people are making different business using the open API. So this open GPL API as well. So we'll discuss those things as well. So let's say, for example, I'm a student, and I want to know about, for example, mm, Swami Vivekananda. Okay, so I will type like an introduction to Swami Vivekananda in 300. Okay, so it will provide you like about the Swami Vivekananda, that will give you that description will be provided in about 300 lines. Okay, so this is the one of the thing. Now you can further the other thing is if you want you can resubmit your questions and you can regenerate the result and everything. So by mistake I wrote 300 lines instead of 300 characters. So let it be. I will stop it generating further and I will edit it and say not 300 lines but instead of 300 words. Okay, save and submit. So now it will generate again the result in 300 words. So this is one of the good thing, you can generate and resubmit those things. And so this is for the normal user, if you're a student, you want to write an essay or someone like Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi, or someone else, you can, and you're not aware of that, you can give it to ask them this ChatGPT and it will provide you result. Apart from this, suppose you want a product review, so you can write a product review or something like that in ask ChatGPT to generate, for example, if I say product right product review, for example, Logitech hundred right. Okay. So see how it is, how cool it is. You just say your question and you will generate everything for you. So this is one of the things people can use. They can create their resume. They can ask and write an essay. They can create this review thing and then they can post on any other website to generate the revenue. So, okay, so there are different websites available. So this is one of the tips. You can create there are homework sites where people ask to write something an essay on this topic and that topic. You can just pick that questions or paste over here and you generate that particular essay and you're good to go. Okay. Now let's jump into another thing. Suppose you're a developer, SQL developer, and you want to know a query. For example, write SQL query to get max salary from employee table. Okay, so it will write a SQL query. Wow, that's a blown out your mind. But and apart from this, if you see here, it is not only giving you the result. This query will get select the maximum salary from the employee. The max function is used to find the highest value. So it is giving you the explanation why this query will run, because we use max salary. Max function. So this is again a good thing. Apart from this, if suppose for this particular YouTube video, if I want to ask generate YouTube topics, what about that? See what are the different keywords it's providing, which we can use in our YouTube video. Isn't it good? Obviously it is. And now suppose you are a C# .NET code developer and you want to write you want to understand, firstly let's ask ChatGPT. Uh, Tell 5 best books to learn Shisha. Let's see what is the result of this. Let's go. So C sharp yellow book, C sharp. Okay. So you understand like what we are asking, it is giving us the results. So for example, uh, interview questions, puzzle, architecture. So see, it is giving us like Azure architecture questions. So and now, if you want, like this is one of the good thing also. Like if you want, for example, give answer. Once it is done, it is giving you n numbers of questions, and once this is generated, you will ask him, okay, it's good, like you gave us those many questions, but we want the answer of first question. Okay, so it is going to give you the first question answer. What is Azure and how does it differ from the cloud platform? So see, I hope now you have a lot of questions to ask to ChatGPT, and believe me, it would be. And when you are going to use it, it will blow your mind. And I am very thrilled after using it. Now, next thing, like you might be thinking, what else it can do? So, for example, you can do question answer, you can do grammar correction. You write something and you want to like correct it. So those things you can do. One example, sorry I forgot. Let me do one more thing. For example, if I ask, write hello world, Shisha code. Let's do that. So it is right your Shisha code. Okay. What you need to do, you just need to copy it and paste in your Visual Studio Code, and you are good to go. Isn't it beautiful? And along with that, it is explaining what this code is all about. Okay, so what is the keyword? Include system name, space, a class name, hello world. So believe me, I really like this thing. So the other thing, like which I mentioned in my discussion, like you can use n number of things, and you can see there are n number of things here, like case review, interview question, restaurant review, okay, recipe creator, fitness idea, third person converter. So you will like it. JavaScript, Python, like it can do like the code converter as a SQL request. So you can like write a SQL code as well. For example, let's copy this and then paste in our example here. So I already showed you, but let again try it. So see, so the main thing which you need to understand, what you have to write, you need to write in a specific manner. Like here we mentioned, like create a SQL request to find all users who lives in California and have over 100,000 credits. So it's wrote very accordingly. And the other thing is like suppose we want to like so it might be possible. Okay? So see, instead of now star, it is using column name. So obviously, select word, like when you use a star, it is like again like the heavy query. But if you use the column name, it will obviously give you best performance. So I hope you like this video, and you like subscribe Indian.NET channel. We will come up with 7 more this kind of tool which is created and might be useful for you in your day-to-day life. Till then, I would really appreciate your love and response on this channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Bye.